Download the Acoustic Link app from the App Store or Google Play. After installing the Acoustic Link app, go to your phone settings and turn on Personal Hotspot. Go to the settings menu of the SonoCam Pocket Acoustic Camera, enter the Wi-Fi page and turn on Wi-Fi. Find your personal hotspot and connect to it. The SonoCam Pocket Acoustic Camera will show that it is connected. Open the Acoustic Link app on your phone. The app will search for the Pocket device. Tap Connect Device. View photos and videos captured by the Pocket device in the app. Press and hold to select one or more files and download them to your phone. Tap to play back captured photos or videos. Press and hold to select one or more files and generate a report. You can edit the report name and other details. View report. View generated history reports. Select a report and share it with colleagues via a third-party messaging app. Files lets you view photos and videos saved to your phone. You can share images or videos with colleagues via a third-party messaging app. For any questions or to learn more about our products, visit our website and contact us.